Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my Snapchat tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat profile picture, or in Snapchat terms, your Bitmoji. First, open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner. That takes you to your profile. Now, head up to the top right and tap the gear icon to open your settings. From here, tap on Bitmoji. You've got a few options. You can change your outfit, edit your Bitmoji's features, or change your selfie. All of these will update how your profile picture looks. If you want to start completely fresh, scroll down and tap Remove my Bitmoji, then confirm. After that, go back to your profile and tap Create my avatar. Snapchat will scan your face, let you pick your gender, and then you can completely redesign your Bitmoji from scratch. Once you're happy with it, hit continue, save it, and you're done. And that's all there is to it. Your new Snapchat profile picture is ready. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other Snapchat tips you'd like me to cover next.